cigarettes or toot up the nose. Addicted to the internet, always buying new clothes. On the road like a lion for the latest of trends. Lying to the ladies, maybe they can get them to bend. Let's not pretend like these ain't society's ills. Try as we may, we can't escape desiring the thrill. But the fire and skill has been instilled in our soul. The man we wanna be is the man we already know.
Yo, born with the spirit, born with the soul, born with a destined plan, only God can know. Nothing can be made if never rising to that challenge. You can hide from your life and you can bury all your talents. It's like they say, nothing ventured, nothing gained. You'll never prosper if you've never known pain. Putting off your life, putting off your plans, discounting your dreams with head buried in the sand.
You got it, get it. It's living in your heart now. You got it, get it. It's living in your soul now. You got it, get it. It's living in your heart now. You got it, get it. It's living in your soul
Can
now.
one man change the world? I don't know, I never tried. And if I never do, then these dreams can't come alive. You'll be nothing then die. They trying to sell you that lie, and you steady believing them getting drunk and high. If I only had a brain, the heart, the nerve. It's them self-esteem demons that live in negative words. You was born for a reason, for you there's a plan. Don't leave it up to chance and say it's in God's hands.
Chasing what's in there already, beneath the certainties buried. Over the shoulder they carry shame and everything scary. Very awkward and heavy, far from unordinary. Found a woman and man, insecurities vary. You will find similarities, you will find a difference. You will find your strength in someone else's weakness. See and believe this, life has missing pieces. I exist like you, just for different reasons.
You got it, get it. It's living in your heart now. You got it, get it. It's living in your soul now. You got it, get it. It's living in your heart now. You got it, get it. It's living in your soul
It's
now.
time to kill all the antics, you ain't young anymore. All the goals in your life have been thrown out the door and replaced by circumstance. Now a victim of regret, still living in the past. You need to move to the next. Open your eyes, look aside, grab a hold of what's there. You got talents and gifts that can't nobody compare. Because you ain't him or her, you can only be you. Do your best, nothing less, until yourself be true.
You got it,